everyone, welcome to my video. Okay, now as you know, I'm not recording on OBS anymore. I'm actually recording on, what is it called? I think it was called, I can't really remember, but I know what it's called. So, that's all that matters. Don't worry about any of the stuff that I have. If y'all want to see my new intro, here it is, right here. So that is it. Okay, sorry, I accidentally paused the recording. So, yeah, as I was saying, we will be playing, let's play City Tycoon. Anybody agree? So, yes, as you know, this is, very weird to me. I really don't know how to do this. But y'all won't be able to hear my computer audio. So, yeah. I don't know if y'all can hear it or not, but that's the video recording thing. So guys, welcome to Mellowville. Oh, okay, so yes, my town is called Mellowville, and let me show you from top to bottom. So I started with this little beautiful house. We'll get to the back there. And I worked my way up. So yes, this is my town. The roads are a little crazy because they don't have dang turn roads. But there's an exit over here. And then you can, come here. Exit. This is going to be a simple town. This is a simple town. So yeah, it's the courthouse. That's the cemetery. Police station. Just houses and hotels over here. There's the beach over there. We'll get there in a second. This is a city hall. Now you may be asking, why did you put it right here? Well, I kind of wanted to. So don't judge me. Oh, and that's the church. Here's the fire station. Ignore that. Okay. So, yeah. Here it is. So here's the town. There's the gas station because there's like literally just like an actual highway that you have to go down. And there's like apartments if you want to stay near. And there's a hospital. Here's a I think that's an apartment building. Here's a hotel with a pool on the freaking top. What do you think about that, guys? Woohoo! Okay. So now, okay, so we have to go this way. Here's a bus stop. You can either come from the highway, or you can either come to the town from this area. Now, I'd rather take the highway, but some people rather take this. Now, let's check out the beach here. So, oh, Jesus, I have a lot of money. Okay. So yes, there's different kind of stuff. If you all want to play this game, check out Roblox in the description. I hope y'all have like the greatest time of your life because Roblox is the funnest game, and you can make an account, ask your parents to buy Robux. Sometimes I say V-Bucks. Wait, what is this? This is shopping. Oh, hold on. Guys, let me move something. This is a shopping mall. Oh, okay. So I can add that right here. Ooh. And I can add a movie theater right here. Whoa. Wait, is that backwards? I don't think it's backwards. But it's a movie theater. Because, okay. Airport. Oh no, I can't have an airport. I need Robux. Dang. Bro, I'll tell you. Ooh. Bro, I'll tell you though. Ooh, school. A train station. So, I do have like a train over here. So, I can make. Now, I have this big open space area. So, I can put the school literally just right down here. And I can make like a big train track as well. So, actually, I kind of want to sell this, blah blah. Sell this, blah blah. Bye bye. Boom. Now we can have like a train. Actually, I can move this as well. I'm sorry guys, this is gonna be a short video. I don't know, but I hope y'all have a great day. And I will see y'all in the next one. Goodbye, Mellows!